Okay, step one, this is to put pavers down as leveling stones for the base. Down here, that's the wood I've got to build the base, minus the plywood. And you can see the shed all the way up in the hill. Okay, this is my day project. I got the blocks leveled. That took a while. And I'm building the frame, that's the outline. Alright, it's time to start hanging the middle joists. I'll be using these little brackets here. Let's see if I got one here. These little guys to hang the boards. I'm just going to use 4 of these brackets. Made the stringers that go across. And I put boards, nail boards temporarily on top, just to create a spacing jig. So I'll get this all boarded up. Alright, I got the shed base finished. It's pretty stable, looks good. There it is right there. Here's a better view without my face in the picture. It's fairly level. Got 4 sheets of plywood on top, 23-30 seconds. And this side is not flush, but it's pretty close to the ground. I did this because my son is in a wheelchair and he wants to be able to roll into it. So we've got all that taken care of.